Dear students, in chapter 11, Nature's Gift to Us, we learnt that the richness of our natural resources in the country and their importance. Also, we came to know about the renewable and non-renewable resources and their conservation. Now, let us have a look at the key words and things to remember from the chapter. The key words are natural resources, things given by nature that a person or a country has and can use. Exhaustible, resources that are limited and cannot be renewed. Inexhaustible, resources that are always available. Soil erosion, the process of soil surface slowly getting destroyed by wind, water in the heat of the sun. Mineral, a substance found deep inside the earth which people use for various purposes. The things to remember from the chapter are: nature has gifted us with things like air, water, forests, soil, and wildlife, which are known as natural resources. There are two types of natural resources: exhaustible and inexhaustible. Soil that contains alluvium is called alluvial soil and is good for growing crops. There are 5 types of forests found in India. These forests have different types of trees like evergreen, deciduous, etc. Mines are underground tunnels used to dig out metals and minerals in their raw form. These raw materials are refined in factories to make iron, steel, petrol, diesel, etc. Protection of natural resources is called conservation. Children, here it should be wind, water, and the heat of the sun.